How to integrate ChatGPT into WordPress. Welcome to WebStylePress. AI is here to accelerate whatever you do. AI is eliminating barriers to achieve goals faster. Managing a website in WordPress is painstaking, but with AI, it becomes a little bit easier. You can have a chatbot, a content writer, and AI assistant right inside WordPress. To have it, go to Plugins and search for AI Power. AI Power Complete AI Pack is what we need. After plugin installation and activation, from its dashboard, select AI Engine. OpenAI, OpenRouter, Google, Microsoft are among available providers. When it comes to OpenRouter, we have even more AI providers like Llama, DeepSeek AI, and more that are behind the scenes but can be used here. I like that it does not restrict to one AI platform. I will select OpenAI and I will provide the key. You can get the key by following this link. It will bring you to OpenAI where you can generate a free API key to use. Give API key a name and click Get Secret Key. This is our API key, copy it and use it here. Then you can select the GPT model to use. I will select 4O Mini. From right side, you can enable disable modules depending on what do you want to do with AI. I will use Chatbot, Content Writer, and some other services. Chatbot and Content Writer are most important for me. After you are done here, click Chatbot. I can place Chatbot in website by using a shortcode, or I can choose to display site-wide widget. I will select site-wide. Click to enable it. From its settings, you can apply security settings as well, where you can ban IPs or words to keep your site clean. From tools, I will check everything for content writing, SEO, and WooCommerce. That is free. And that's it. Now let's go to Content Writer. Here I can type any idea to generate content for my page, post, or product. Express mode is simple. Custom mode allows you to generate content according to your need. For example, you can select to generate a number of sections or paragraphs of your choice. From right side, you can select post, product, page, and more. But even the Express mode has a lot of options to choose from. For example, language, style, tone, number of headings, SEO options, and more. So to generate the content, you will type the title here and hit Generate button. Then you will be able to insert the content into your website. Then we have AutoGPT option. AutoGPT can take titles or ideas from you and auto-generate posts based on your requirement. Post will be published or saved as draft, whatever you choose. It can also take data source from a document. Then it will generate posts based on that data source. From settings, you can adjust frequency of generating content. Pretty flexible and useful, I would say. Blogging on autopilot with AI. Okay, from image generator section, you can use DALL-E to generate images from the given text. AI forms section is awesome. Look at what we have here. I cannot cover everything here in this video alone. We can generate question answers from here. We can generate blog posts, blog post titles. We can generate business-related content. We can get domain suggestions, generate all sorts of emails, posts for Facebook, food-related content, Instagram content, LinkedIn content, and more. Just amazing. They have covered everything. From training section, you can train AI on your website data. Type to train it, provide PDF, or scan your site. It will train on the data and respond accordingly. This way, you can train your chatbot to answer specific to your website content, services that you offer, and products that you sell. And finally, the chatbot that we enabled is here on website front end. Talk to it, get answers. Your site visitors can get the answers. You can also download the chat. Pretty amazing how much this plugin covers and enables your website. Turn your website into AI powerhouse. This is a complete AI assistant that will help you in completing any WordPress related task in seconds. This is the plugin. It's an all-in-one AI solution for WordPress, featuring models like OpenAI's O1, O3, GPT-4, GPT 4.5, GPT 3.5, Assistant API, along with DeepSeek, Claude, Gemini, Azure, Grok, Mistral, Llama, and more. It has multiple AI providers. It provides chatbot, it assists you in content writing, it can bulk write posts and pages for you, it can generate WooCommerce product data, it can generate images, it can process PDFs, you can use it for SEO, and there's much more. So AI Power Complete AI Pack is one example. If you go to plugins, search for AI Engine, this could be another great AI assistant inside WordPress. And there are many more similar plugins. But please keep in mind that API keys will cost you after free limit is reached. But then you can switch to OpenRouter, Google AI, or other available AI platforms. Let's generate a free API key from Google AI Studio. Copy it, apply the key here. After selecting engine as Google, let's go to content writer. Let's type some topic, hit generate, and here is the data. SEO meta description is here, content is this one, including HTML tags. And now we can click Save Draft button to save it as a post. And here it is. Of course, you'll have to fine-tune it and edit it for your specific requirement. Let me know your thoughts in comments. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.